Welcome to Alphabet Friends TV, where letters come to life.
A is for alligator, snappy and green, waving hello in the jungle scene. B is for bunny, bouncing so high, floppy ears hopping right into the sky. C is for cat with a meow so sweet, purring softly on tiny feet. D is for dolphin, splashing with glee, dancing and diving deep in the sea. E is for elephant, big and bold, with a trumpet sound that never gets old. F is for fox and the fur is so sly, peeking out with a glimmering eye. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud, nibbling leaves from the leafy cloud. H is for hippo, heavy and round, wading and wiggling muddy ground. I is for iguana, green and slow, crawling quietly wherever it goes. J is for jaguar, jumping with grace, zooming and zipping in a jungle race. K is for koala, cuddling brave, sleeping in trees all night and day. L is for lion with a mighty roar, king of the jungle forevermore. M is for monkey, swinging on trees, laughing and chattering in the breeze. N is for newt, tiny and bright, gliding into puddles from morning to night. O is for owl, wise and still, hooting softly on the nighttime hill. P is for penguin, dressed so neat, waddling around with little feet. Q is for quail, quick and shy, scurrying past with a blink of an eye. R is for rabbit with a twitchy nose, sniffing the flowers wherever it goes. S is for seal, clapping with cheer, flipping and flopping with friends so near. T is for tiger with stripes so bright, growling gently in the moonlight. U is for urchin, spiny and small, rolling around like a funny beach ball. V is for vulture, gliding so high, watching the world from the open sky. W is for whale, singing so low, waving a tail as it swims below. X is for X-ray fish, sleek and clear, glowing and gliding when night is near. Y is for yak with fur so thick, trotting along through mountains quick. Z is for zebra, zigzag and neat, dancing around on black and white feet.
Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ABC fun.